Where they at?
Yeah.
Two of
I saw
them.
them on top.
Stand still. 126.
You ready? Let's go.
East, sir.
I'm going though. There's gotta be a bot,
Oh,
bro.
three of them. Three of them. On the bridge. On the bridge. They're building.
Oh, he one's white, one's white. Oh, knocked.
Jumping out.
One's knocked. One's knocked. Shaking him. You can see exactly where his teammate is.
One's under the bridge. Yeah, I think it's a full bot squad.
Martinez, don't say that.
Is he behind the tree? Oh, rocket coming in.
Yeah, they're on Angel. I'm going east. I'm gonna outflank him.
Knocked
I'm
one.
On that side.
It's YouTube music.
Oh, are they all dead now?
Shake him. Shake him.
Oh no, shake him, shake him, shake him, shake him.
Oh, far away. Far, far away.
Oh, he's far. He left.
He
Smart
ditched
guy.
his
I'm going for him.
friends.
Would you build side?
He's using a med kit.
Oh,
Dang, I
somebody's
can't
shooting.
believe I missed that.
Somebody's shooting at me from behind.
Oh, we gotta go, G.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Well, the other guy's just super
Yeah,
far
he's
away.
dead, he's dead. He's dead. You're good, you're good, you're good. He was alone.
Alright, should we
Oh,
just...
somebody
Oh,
broke it down.
right,
Nope.
right,
G lied. Back to G.
I'm still good, I'm still good, I'm still good. He died. He died, he died, he died, he died.
Oh,
Where
yep.
they
Yeah.
Two of
I saw
them.
them on top.
Stand still. 126. 22 white. 22 white. They're just hiding in this box.
Yeah.
They might be the team to do this. They just keep standing still.
Oh,
They got
he tried to
snipes,
snipe
though.
me. I'm coming, I'm coming. You're saying I knocked one? You guys want to shake him?
Oh, damn, bro.
Oh, shit.
Look at this guy. Look at this.
He's right here, he's right here. Oh my god, bro.
Alright. Hey, okay.
I just finished his partner. One more guy right here.
Gee,
Oh,
you're
he's
right.
white, he's white, he's white.
Got him.
We thought we were gonna go for the pickaxe.
Hey, it got real scary there at the end. Everybody started dying.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.